Are you someone who has a slow metabolism? Have you ever wondered as to why some people can eat anything they want and not gain any weight, while a little bit of something can strongly affect us? Are you someone who's always low on energy? Then the answer of this lies in your body's metabolism. So, if you're someone who has a slow metabolism and you want to increase your metabolism, then keep watching this video till the end so that you can know about natural ways to increase your body's metabolism. And so, let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. The word metabolism means all the different chemical reactions which are taking place in our body so that our organs and body can function effectively. It is basically the process by which our body converts the foods we eat into energy. And this energy is needed to drive the different chemical reactions taking place in our body. The minimum amount of energy which is needed by our body is referred to as the basal metabolic rate. The basal metabolic rate differs from one person to the other and it depends on the age, genetics, lifestyle, activity level, body fat and muscle mass. So, while we cannot control the genetic aspect of a body's metabolism, there are certain things which we can do that can help to control and speed up our body's metabolic rate and get a metabolism running in a healthier manner. And the best part is that all these ways have been backed by science. A high metabolism is basically needed for the effective functioning of the different processes in our body, and a high metabolism also leads to more burning of calories in our body, which leads to weight loss. Whereas a slow metabolism leads our body to hang on to unwanted calories. There are many of us who may have realized that we have a slow metabolism. But still there are many of us who have a slow metabolism but may not know that we have it. So, here are a few warning signs that you can look out for which suggest that you have a slow metabolism and your basal metabolic rate is slow, such as cravings for sugar or sweet foods or carbohydrates frequently, gaining weight continuously and difficulty in losing weight, high blood sugar, hormonal imbalance, feeling bloated most of the time, frequent wakings in the night, feeling tired all the time, having a dry skin and brittle nails, frequent headaches, inflexibility and physical stiffness, blurred vision, loss of appetite, feeling constipated most of the time, thyroid glands not functioning properly. Now let us know about few simple and natural ways to increase a body's metabolism. When we eat foods, a body's metabolism increases for a few hours, and this is referred to as the thermic effect of foods. Protein is one nutrient which is found in foods which is known to cause the largest rise in the thermic effect. And according to a study which had been published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism in 2014, proteins can increase a body's basal metabolic rate by 15 to 20%. In comparison to carbohydrates, which can increase a basal metabolic rate by 5 to 10%, and also in comparison to fats, which can increase a basal metabolic rate by 0 to 3%. Research suggests that if we get a good amount of protein from our diet, it can increase a body's metabolism. This is because proteins are made of amino acids, which are difficult to break down in comparison to carbohydrates and fats. And this leads to burning of more calories and increased metabolism. So we should include more of protein-rich foods in our diet and we should try to eat these protein-rich foods in every meal. And some of the protein-rich foods which you can include in your diet are legumes, yogurt, whole grains, chicken, eggs, fish, quinoa, nuts, etc. Studies have not conclusively proven this, but there are few research which has been published in the British Journal of Nutrition in 2005 and the International Journal of Obesity in 2010, which suggests that drinking green tea and oolong tea can increase a body's metabolism by promoting fat metabolism. And this they can do so by converting the fat stored in our body to free fatty acids, which promotes fat burning. Both these teas also contain catechin, which can increase a body's metabolic function. Plus, they are very good for our health as they are a good source of antioxidants and they are a very good alternative to your sugary beverages. It may be surprising to know, but getting a good night's sleep can increase a body's metabolism. This is because when our body does not get enough sleep or gets too little sleep, our body releases a hormone which is known as ghrelin, which can make us feel hungry more. And it also reduces the amount of hormone which is known as leptin in our body, which makes us full. So what happens is that when we do not get enough sleep, we start to feel more hungry and we may overeat. And this can also slow down our body's metabolism and increase the risk of obesity. And there are many studies which have been published in different journals, like in PLOS Med in 2004, in the Journal of Sleep in 2008, in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science USA in 2013, which indicates that there's a negative effect of sleep deprivation on our body's metabolism. So do ensure that you get a proper good quality sleep of 7 to 8 hours daily. Staying hydrated is not only important for our good health and skin, but it's also important for optimal metabolism in our body. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Diagnostic Research in 2013, it has been suggested that if we drink 1.5 liters of water in addition to our daily consumption, then it can strongly increase our body's metabolism and can also reduce our average weight and body mass index. Our body functions on balance and regularity. So if we eat our meals at regular time intervals, we can maintain the metabolic balance in our body. Because if we do not do so and we prevent ourselves from eating anything for long time periods, we may overeat in the next meal. And this is not good because then our body will require longer time to burn calories and its metabolic rate will be slowed down. And that is not something which we want. So it is important that you eat something every 3 to 4 hours. For example, you have your breakfast at 8 a.m., then you can have a mid-morning snack at 11 p.m., your lunch at 1 p.m., evening snack at 4 p.m. and dinner at 7 p.m. for a good metabolism. So this is an example of how you can split your different meals at regular intervals, which you may change according to your preference. According to a study published in Chemical Biological Interactions 2006, B vitamins such as vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, vitamin B3, also known as niacin, vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, and vitamin B7, known as biotin, play an important role in our body's metabolic rate, and getting enough B vitamins can increase our body's metabolism. So do include more of vitamin B-rich foods in your diet, such as spinach, eggs, peas, whole grain foods, banana, etc. High intensity interval training and aerobic workouts are very effective in burning fat and calories in our body, and they can also increase a body's metabolic rate, which stays for some time even after the workout is done. And this is according to a study which has been published in the Journal of Sports, Nutrition, Exercise, Metabolism in 2012 and 2013 and Journal of Translational Medicine in 2012. So do create a daily exercise routine for yourself which has a few high intensity and aerobic workouts so that your metabolism can be boosted. Many of us tend to follow a low calorie diet in order to lose weight and look slim. But do you know that if you overdo calorie cutting, then our body's resting metabolic rate, which is the number of calories burned by our body to carry out the basic body functions, will reduce because our body will assume that we are starving. So, according to research, you should not let your daily calorie intake to go below 1200 calories until and unless your height is less than 5 feet. and moving more is crucial for increased metabolism in our body, as sitting too much is not good for our health. According to a study published in Science in 2005 and the Annals of Internal Medicine 2015, sitting too much can lead to fewer burning of calories, which can slow down our body's metabolism. So, instead of following a sedentary lifestyle, try to incorporate more movement and activity in your lifestyle so that you can increase your body's metabolism. Instead of completely eliminating all carbs and all fats from our diet, it is better that we follow a low glycemic index diet, where we can include foods such as fruits and vegetables, legumes and whole grains in our diet. And this will not only lead to increased metabolism, but will also prevent spikes in our blood sugar levels. Many of us assume that our weight is all about the calories we intake and the calories we burn. But it is also about the quality of foods that we eat. So do try to include more of low glycemic foods in your diet. Many of us struggle with a slow metabolism, which can lead to various health problems and also frustration, which can affect both our physical and mental health. But it is possible that we can increase our body's metabolism by making few changes in our lifestyle and diet that can allow effective functioning of our bodily functions, weight loss and increased energy in our body. It is important that we all learn to work along with our body rather than against it, which is key for healthy living. So do watch this video very properly and share it with your friends and family members so that they also can benefit from it. So that's it for today. I hope you found today's video useful. Don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.